Hello everyone, hope so you all will be fine. Today I am going to tell you that how you can display desktop icons in Windows 10. So let's start. First of all, you have to click on Start button and then you have to click on Settings button. Here you have all settings of system. Now you have to select on Personalization. Here you have to click on Themes. Here you will see option of desktop icon settings. You have to click on it, and here you have all the desktop icons that you have to display on desktop. Here you have to click on these check buttons of that icon that you want to display on desktop, and then you have to click on apply and OK and minimize this. Here you can see that desktop icons are appear on the desktop. Hope so you will like this video. Do comment about your reviews and like this video, and also do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to receive notifications of my channel's videos. I will come again with another interesting video. So till that, bye bye.